welcome in MWS Education Center. Today we will learn about reciprocal pronoun. Let's move on. Learning objectives. What is reciprocal pronoun? What is difference between each other and one another? How can reciprocal pronoun used in a sentence? Reciprocal pronoun. It refers to an action going in one direction and also back in opposite direction. Or it expresses mutual action or relationship. For example, Ali will give Ahmed a friendship band. Ahmed will give Ali a friendship band. You can put both sentences in one sentence. Ali and Ahmed will give each other a friendship band. Here you can see the difference between the sentences of above and this one. देखें, Ali and Ahmed will give each other a friendship band. तो ऊपर जिस तरह लिखा हुआ है कि Ali will give Ahmed a friendship band, Ahmed will give Ali a friendship band. इन दोनों का मतलब यही है कि दोनों ने एक दूसरे को फ्रेंडशिप बैंड दिया. तो बजाय कि हम इन्हें अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस के अंदर लिखें तो हम लोग रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन यूज कर सकते हैं और इन दो सेंटेंस को एक सेंटेंस के अंदर भी बता सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Ali and Ahmed will give each other a friendship band. Here you can see each other is using as reciprocal pronoun. There are only two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. What is the difference between each other and one another? Each other is using for two persons. On the other hand, another is using for two and more than two persons. Example, is, for example, Ali and Ahmed will give each other a friendship band. Here you can see I am talking about only two persons, Ali and Ahmed. That's why I am using each other. If I say they are giving friendship band one another, if I am talking about more than two persons, then I can use they are giving one another a friendship band. I can also use one another for two persons. Then I can also say Ali and Ahmed will give one another a friendship band. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि each other को और one another को ये दोनों दो पर्सन के लिए भी इस्तेमाल हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जो one another है वो दो से ज़्यादा के लिए भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है. लेकिन on the other hand, each other cannot use for more than two persons. There are some rules in reciprocal pronoun. It is used to refer to noun or personal pronoun that appears in the main clause of the sentence. For example, the policemen are working for each other. They were looking for one another. Here you can see each other, which is reciprocal pronoun, is referring to policemen. Okay. In second example, you can see one another, which is reciprocal pronoun, is referring they. इसमें यही बताया गया है कि आपका क्या कहते हैं noun या it is used to refer to noun or personal pronoun that appear in the main clause. मतलब each other आपका refer कर रहा है noun को जो कि आपका policeman है, ठीक है, और one another है ये भी refer कर रहा है personal pronoun को. तो इस रूल में ये बताया जा रहा है कि each other और when another लाजमी किसी नाउन को या पर्सनल प्रोनाउन को रेफर करेंगे. लेट्स मूव ऑन. It can be used as the object of a verb or preposition. For example, the students must cooperate with one another on this project. Here you can see one another is coming with preposition which is with. One another आपका with जो कि preposition है उसके साथ आया है, तो one and other आपका object है preposition का जो कि आपका with है. ठीक है, let's move on. Second example, Ali and Aslam are meeting each other at the cafe. Here you can see each other is object of verb which is meeting. Are is helping verb, meeting is main verb and main verb के बाद आपका each other आ रहा है जो कि आपका object है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो reciprocal each other है वो आपका object है लेकिन verb का object है. ठीक है, तो each other या one another ये आपका एज ऑब्जेक्ट भी आ सकता है, वर्ब का ऑब्जेक्ट भी आ सकता है और preposition का ऑब्जेक्ट भी आ सकता है. तो इस तरह हम इसको सेंटेंस के अंदर we can use both. Next rule is similar to previous one. It always requires antecedent. It is not used in the main clause as it requires a antecedent. For example, the girl help each other carry the box. Here you can see each other is referring girl which is noun. It means that we cannot use reciprocal pronoun without referring noun or pronoun. इसमें हम लोग एंटीसीडेंट का आपके सेंटेंस जो आप यूज करते हो रेसिप्रोकल नाउन, तो एंटीसीडेंट का लाजमी होना, एंटीसीडेंट लाजमी होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे गर्ल आपका एंटीसीडेंट है इस और ईच अदर आपका रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन है और ये आपके गर्ल जो कि एंटीसीडेंट है उसको रेफर करना. इसमें ये चीज़ बताई जा रही है कि ईच अदर या एन अदर अगर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ तो ये ज़रूर रेफर करेंगे किसी नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को, जो कि जिसको ये रेफर कर रहे हैं वो आपका एंटीसीडेंट कहलाएगा और उसका होना लाजमी है. Without antecedent, the sentence will not make complete sense. Understood? It is used to indicate mutual actions. Yes, we all know. The girls brush each other hair. You can see the action of brushing is on both girls. इनके दोनों ही एक दूसरे के बाल ब्रश कर रही हैं, तो ये जो चीज़ है म्यूचुअल एक्शन के अंदर आई है. इट ऑल्सो शोज पोजेशन. यस, द गर्ल्स ब्रश ईच अदर हेयर. नाउ वी विल प्रैक्टिस some sentences that will make your concept clear. Number 1, all the Muslims love each other. Is it correct? No. What we will put here, all the Muslim, you can see I am not talking about 2 person, I am talking about more than 2 Muslims. So what we will put, all the Muslim love one and other. Ali and Ahmad respect one and other. I am talking about 2 persons, so what we will put, each other. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, each other आएगा, क्योंकि मैं 2 person के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ कि वो एक दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, next example, he, his wife and their daughter found themselves shouting at each other. Here you can see I am talking about more than 2 persons, so what will we put here, one and other. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ही, उसकी वाइफ और उसकी डॉटर जब आपस में मिलते हैं आपस में तो शाउट करते हुए, तो यहाँ